How to grill fish without smoke will make the best fish ever. Stuff it with lemon, onion, pepper, tomato. Season with salt, pepper, coriander, cumin, paprika, oil. Thought about dill. Add green onion, colored pepper. Use any fish, I used mullet. Stuff it, grill it, cover, well, don't leave it. Don't cover, arrange on a tray, oil grill. Grill on top rack 10 minutes, each side, add tomato. Add pepper, coriander, spices, lemon juice, vinegar. Mix with water, done, enjoy. Delicious grilled fish with flavors. Must try, taste is fantastic.